Hello, children. Happy to meet you all again with yet another topic on atoms and molecules. Here it is, average atomic mass. Come, children, let's understand. Nucleus has protons and neutrons. They comprise the mass of any atom. This is the nucleus of a carbon atom. See, you can see 6 protons and 6 neutrons, which makes up to 12. When you see the periodic table, you will check that carbon's atomic mass is given as 12.01. Why? Why it is 12.01 when 6 plus 6 is 12? Because carbon has 3 different types of isotopes. They are carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. When there is change in the number of neutrons, the isotopes are formed. This picture tells you the abundance of each type of carbon. Carbon 12 is found abundantly, while carbon 13 very minimum amount, and carbon 14 that is radioactive is found very less amount. Why do we need to know its abundance? Because the average is calculated based on the mass as well as its abundance. It is not a normal average, it is the weighted average. Carbon 12 98.9%, carbon 13 11.1%. So how do we calculate the mass multiplied by the abundance? On calculating, we get 12.011 atomic mass unit. Now, isotopes of hydrogen. What are the isotopes? Hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. When we say hydrogen, only proton. Deuterium, 1 proton, 1 neutron. Tritium, 1 proton and 2 neutrons. What is the average atomic mass of hydrogen atom? It is 1.008. The similar way of calculation, taking up all the 3 isotopes and their abundance, we have to calculate their average atomic mass. As we calculate these average atomic mass of elements, it is called as atomic mass and not as mass number. Let's check another element, boron. Its atomic mass is 10.8 atomic mass unit. It has 2 isotopes, namely boron 10 and boron 11. If you see the sample itself, you can find that boron 11 is found in larger number than boron 10. Is it not? There are 2 boron atoms, boron 10 and boron 11. And how do we calculate their average atomic mass? A similar manner. 10 multiplied by its abundance 20% and 11 multiplied by its abundance 80%, which works out to 10.8 atomic mass unit. With these examples, you would have understood what is average atomic mass. Thank you, children.